Euro dollar daily forecast, April 19th, fxempire.com. The euro dollar pair had a fairly wild session on Wednesday. As you can see, it did fall for much of the session, breaking the bottom of the doji, but bounced again, and yet another back and forth pairing. As usual, the Americans sold off the dollar as soon as they got at work on Wall Street, and that's essentially where the bounce came from. With the Spanish auctions being held later today on the 2 and 10-year notes, there is high probability that we will see some type of move. A poor Spanish bond auction result could end up in a real test of the 130 level. Of course, a good result could be positive for this pair, but more than likely will just simply offer a chance to sell it at a higher level. Just because there's a decent bond auction for the session doesn't necessarily mean that everything's okay. It's just one bond auction in a long series of them. However, if we get a bad bond auction, there's a good chance that it signals perhaps some trouble to come, as the last one wasn't so hot either. Obviously, below 130, it changes a lot. It's a very obvious support line at the moment in time. And if we get a daily close below that, this pair really could start to decelerate and look very ugly to the downside. Again, the 200-day moving average is above us, so we suspect that any rally will be sold off. And truthfully, don't get bullish of the euro until above 135.